In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is sign into your broker or, of course, a demo account. And whenever you've done this, you want to go and select the asset you want to buy and sell or trade. So I'm just going to go over here, top left, and I'm going to select something random. I'm just going to select this NVIDIA stock over here. I'm going to right click and open chart window. Now, in here, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. So again, you can open it up for whatever you want. I could go, for example, XAU USD or whatever. And then from here, you have a few options. You could right click on the asset here and click on a new order, and it's going to open up the order panel. You could go to new order up top. You could right click on your chart and then go to trading and click on new order, or press F9 on your keyboard. So there's a bunch of different ways. Use whichever one you want, really, or of course all of them together if you wish. And then from here, make sure your asset is selected, select your order type, and then you can select the volume, add a stop loss and take profit if you wanna, select your fill policy, add a comment to your chart, or of course to your order if you want to, and then you can just go ahead and buy or sell whenever you want. So there we go. I've just bought right now. I can go and sell as well. And there we go. That's how this works. That's how easy it is to buy and sell in MetaTrader 5. Of course, you can do it on your chart as well. If you want to, click on this button up top to show the trade panel, or of course press Alt plus T on your keyboard, and you can then quick buy or quick sell over here if you do have these terms and conditions accepted, okay? If you don't, accept them whenever you read them, and you can then go ahead and use the quick buy and sell buttons. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.